What the heck just happened? And if there is another collapse, it could be very bad for the price of Shiba Inu. Seriously, when will things start to get stable? Just 2 years ago, the price of Shiba Inu was very high. Now they are very cheap. How come these failures happen, and why does it hurt Shiba Inu so much? Stay with us as we look into the newest news and find out what's really going on in the Shiba Inu world. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But let's start the story from the very beginning. It's been a month since the first crypto ETF was approved, and the market was already very excited. A lot of people were looking forward to this big news because they thought it would cause a surge in all cryptocurrencies. Fans and investors alike were interested in how this move would impact their investments and the market as a whole. For people who love Shiba Inu, this moment was especially important. With the hope that prices would go up across the board in the crypto space, they were eagerly awaiting the possible benefits of the ETF approval. There were high hopes for a rising trend that could take Shiba Inu to new heights and provide a sign of hope in a market that was otherwise unstable. In case you didn't know, about 67% of people who own Shiba Inu are losing money right now, but they are still determined to wait for a possible bull run. And people thought that the approval of the Bitcoin ETF would be the start of the next bull run for the whole crypto market. But in the middle of all the hope, something unexpected happened that sent shockwaves through the crypto space and left the Shiba Inu group struggling with doubt. The unexpected turn of events happened when Grayscale Bitcoin Trust chose to sell Bitcoin worth billions of dollars. This put a lot of pressure on the market to sell. This huge increase in supply caused a big crash in the market, which hurt the price of Shiba Inu and made owners unsure. However, we've finally seen that this huge pressure to sell was easing, and Shiba Inu started to grow more over the last few days, getting closer and closer to taking another zero off of its price. The Shiba Inu community was finally glad that those tough times were over. Now you won't believe it. During the last 24 hours, though, something happened that could ruin all the good vibes we've been building. No one saw that coming. That was a story trick. Things are not over yet. Don't miss out on what's coming up for this exciting digital asset as we go into more detail about the recent changes that have happened in the world of Shiba Inu. So, what really happened? The most recent news is that Genesis Global Trading wants to sell its assets for $1.6 billion, even though it is bankrupt. This could be bad for the Shiba Inu's price and the mood of people who like the breed. Price drops could make things even worse, as people worry that such a large sell-off could cause things to get even worse. Making things even less certain is like adding fuel to a fire that's been going for a while. People who own Shiba Inus are nervous and don't know what to do next. They are also looking for some good news to make up for the recent losses. This is terrible news because it looked like things might be getting better when BlackRock finally beat Grayscale in trade volume. But now hearing that Genesis is going to sell off is like a bucket of cold water. It kills any hopes of things going smoothly. BlackRock's daily investments of more than $300 million in the crypto space gave people hope, but now that Genesis is about to sell off a huge amount of assets, things are back to being unsure. It's like going backwards and forwards 3 times. The big changes made by BlackRock and the impending sell-off by Genesis show how unstable the crypto market can be. For people who love Shiba Inus, it's an emotional roller coaster that goes from hope to worry in an instant. Recent events have caused quite a stir in the crypto community, which makes Shiba Inu owners feel, well, on edge. It's also not a surprise that the Shiba Inu community is scared after what's been going on lately. Many Shiba Inu owners are naturally upset about the news of a possible Genesis sell-off and the general lack of confidence in the market. It's interesting that these changes seem to have a bigger effect on Shiba Inu than on other coins. Shiba Inu's price changed a lot in response to the latest news, which suggests that it is more sensitive to changes in the market than other digital assets. People who love Shiba Inus were happy 5 months ago when the project's Layer 2 scaling answer, Shibarium, came out. Shiba Inu's price slowly went up after this important milestone, which marked a big step forward in the project's progress. Finally, taking away the zero from Shiba Inu's price 2 months ago was a big win for the community and a sign of progress and growth. It gave Shiba Inu owners new hope. Many of them had been hanging on to their tokens while seeing their investments go down in value. Percent of investors are currently losing money. This success was the first step toward changing things around and getting all investors back to making money. The Shiba Inu community was filled with joy and hope as they tried to imagine a better future for their beloved coin. Unexpected turns in the crypto space are clearly bad news that casts a dark shadow over the future of Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. When Shiba was first released, prices went up, which was a good thing. However, the current chaos shows how fragile the market is and how hard things will be in the future. As the Shiba Inu community deals with these unclear times, it's important to stay alert and flexible while also hanging on to the hope that things will get better soon. What do whales think about this, though? A lot of people who own Shiba Inus are thinking about this question right now. Because whales hold a lot of Shiba Inu tokens, this is a very important question to ask. Since they have a lot at stake in the project, changes in the market affect more than just them. They can also have an effect on them. Because they have so many babies, whales are especially likely to lose a lot of them during times of uncertainty like these. That's why it's important to know how they react and keep an eye on their moves. Their deeds can tell regular buyers a lot about the direction of the market and help them make smart choices about their own stocks. Hold on to your seats, though, because we're about to show you how the whales responded, and I have to say, it's mind-blowing. Stay tuned as we find out what this huge movement of Shiba Inu tokens means and go into more detail about whale activity. What's next is something you won't want to miss. Now we'll talk about whale behavior. It's important to note that a huge number of Shiba Inu tokens have been moving around in the last 24 hours. In this short amount of time, a huge $1.6 trillion tokens, which is about $14 million, have been moved between banks. Watching this huge movement of tokens shows how powerful whales are in the Shiba Inu environment and how important it is to pay attention to what they do when the market is unstable. As the Shiba Inu group deals with the rough seas of the current market, it's important to stay strong and flexible against uncertainty. One thing Shiba Inu users could do is stay up to date on market changes and keep a close eye on whale action and big news from big players in the crypto space. Investors can better predict how the market might move and make smart decisions about their stocks if they stay alert and up to date on the latest news. In times of market instability, diversification can also be a smart way to lower your risks. Shiba Inu may have a lot of promise, but investing in a wide range of assets can help protect against losses and give you access to different parts of the cryptocurrency market. It's also important for Shiba Inu owners to set clear investing goals and levels of risk tolerance. Investors can avoid making hasty choices out of fear or greed and keep a long-term view by setting clear goals and sticking to a strict investment strategy. Because whale activity might change the way the market works, Shiba Inu owners may also look into community-driven projects and collaborative efforts within the community. For example, supporting ecosystem developments, advocating for transparency, and fostering positive sentiment can help build trust in the project and contribute to its long-term success. Ultimately, the current market conditions may bring about problems, but they also present chances for Shiba Inu owners to make money and help the project grow and stay strong. Investors can feel confident in the unsure crypto environment and set themselves up for success by staying informed, spreading their investments, setting clear goals, and participating in the community. But what do you think about that? Leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.